Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on your eBay account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in ebay.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official eBay website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the sign in button at the top left corner and proceed forward with your credentials or your social accounts. Once you are logged in and taken back to the homepage, hover to your username at the top left once again and click on Account Settings. Now within the Account Settings page, underneath Personal Info, click on Sign In and Security and you will see your password at the second option. Click on the Edit button at the right side and you will first be asked to enter your current password. Go ahead and type in the password that you currently use to log into your eBay account and then enter your desired new password underneath within the new password box. Enter this new password once again within the final box for confirmation and then click on the Save button. As soon as you click on Save, your password will be changed within your account and you will be asked to re-log into your account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on eBay. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.